Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by preparing your sink area. It's crucial to have a clean, dry surface for the silicone to adhere properly. Use a utility knife or scraper to remove any existing caulk or sealant. Then, thoroughly clean the area with a degreaser or rubbing alcohol to eliminate any grease, soap scum, or dirt. A clean surface ensures a strong, long-lasting seal. Now, let's apply the silicone. First, cut the tip of your silicone tube at a 45-degree angle, creating an opening about 1/4 inch wide. Load the tube into your caulk gun. Apply steady, even pressure as you move the gun along the joint where the sink meets the countertop. Aim for a continuous, consistent bead to ensure a watertight seal. Once the silicone is applied, it's time to smooth it out. You can use a specialized caulk tool, a gloved finger, or even a damp cloth. Gently run your chosen tool along the bead, pressing it into the joint and creating a smooth, professional finish. Work efficiently, as silicone typically starts to cure within 5 to 10 minutes, making it harder to smooth. The final step is allowing the silicone to cure properly. Most silicone sealants require at least 12 to 24 hours to fully cure and achieve maximum strength. During this time, it's important to avoid exposing the sealed area to any water or moisture. Once cured, your sink will have a durable, watertight seal, protecting against leaks for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.